what's up? Good morning, guys. It's a Saturday. Right now we're heading over to the body shop. Drop off the windshield for the Land Cruiser because the one we have is chipped up. Actually, it's cracked, broken, the whole nine. Thank you for AutoTune for picking it up for me, cleaning it up, and fixing the little nick that's in there. But we got a really good deal on this windshield. It's a used one, but it's all good. All right, so let's get on the road. All right, so we're just pulling up to the body shop right now. I told him I was gonna come by because he said he was gonna lay down paint. So let's see if he is even here. Oh, there he is. I see him. Oh, yes, I see him. Let's check it out. See what's going down. Keep you posted. Hey, what's up, guys? So I just spoke with Luis. Told him that, to be honest, I don't think that he even blocked it during the week. He claims he did, but I beg to differ. Anyways, my opinion versus his opinion. I could tell you I'm a little disappointed today because by this time the doors were supposed to be off and the jams were supposed to be painted. And I get that he's busy, and I get that he's got things to do today. I respect that, but don't go hollering telling people you want to get things done at a certain time and then you don't get done because you have a timeline as well. Just do what you're supposed to do. Tell us something's gonna be done on Saturday or Tuesday, Monday, Thursday, Friday, then get it done. And you can't get done, give us a holler. Hey, I got this going on, I got that going on. Totally respectable. You want to spend time with your family? Cool. Just tell me straight up that that's what you're going to do. And it's been delayed a day, delayed 2 days, a couple hours, whatever. That's all. Simple. All right. So we're calling for a day here. We're going to head back tomorrow. Yo, hey, what's up? Yeah, we just left the shop. So I'm cruising home and I'm not trying to stress out too much and about this job. I mean, we need to get it done ASAP. But you know what? At the end of the day, it's a very nice Saturday. Pretty blessed. I mean, look at this great weather that we're having right now in the middle of winter. So, you know what? Enjoy it while we can. And let's get things done. Enjoy Cali or California. Pretty blue skies. We hardly ever see clouds, so to see clouds is kind of a nice change. Nice texture in the sky rather than being all blue. But, yep. Blessed to be alive. Want to say it's an awesome day. Nice clear blue skies, little patchy clouds. Look at that, you can even see the hills. That is San Gabriel Valley over there. So nice. Hey, so before we head to the shop, I'm going to make a quick stop to Home Depot. The boys want something to drink and we need some acetone to clean off some of the black trim to get that ready for paint. So, gotta make him a little happy. Yo, so we just got out of the paint booth. The color is so nice. Oh, I can't wait to get the outside of the body painted. That thing's so cool. It's gonna look really good with the black trim, the black fender flares. Pretty excited, man. Thanks for tagging along. And this week we're gonna get the body painted, and then we'll start assembling it. So I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited. No, so it should be cool. Louis and the crew got down, sanding down the jams, painting the jams, clear coated it. So now it's going to sit overnight to cure. Tomorrow they're going to start prepping the body, take off the rest of the exterior pieces, and then sealer it, paint it, and reassemble it. The bumpers need to go black. Some of the trim pieces need to go black. So, thank you, and we will see you later. Hi. Damn, that looks so nice. That looks so nice. Okay, the front valence need to be pulled. Wow.
Perfect.
That looks sick. Check that out, boys. That looks so sick. Hey, what's up, fellas? So it's actually Thursday night. We're about 24 hours from actually taking delivery of the blue Land Cruiser. So we're going to take a look at the progress as it is right now. Yesterday, the body was painted. There's a couple of black trim pieces that need to be painted. The windshield needed to be installed. The bumper needed to be taken off, painted black. The valance needed to be painted. The hood needed to be painted. So let's go take a look and see what we got. Oh, you love seeing me, don't you? Oh! So this is prime. That's prime. Okay, well, looks like nothing got done today. Got the cowl primer, got the valance primered. How does this go? All right, the hood looks good. The hood looks good. I know it's gonna look nice. I like the color. It's awesome. It's bright. It's glossy. The what? Oh, gosh. What?